Welcome to Speak Igbo, where we learn Igbo and speak Igbo with pride. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can get the notification of all the Igbo lessons, simple and easy. Thank you for joining for today. On today's episode of Speak Igbo, we are going to be having. Now let's delve into the video. This is Igbo language alphabets, which is known as Abidii. Now let's read it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, R, G, H, I, A, G, K, B, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. There is a dot below the O. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Tag your friends for more content, and also turn on the notification button so that you can get notifications. The Igbo, Iri. It has 8 vowels. That is Udume Asato. A, E, I, O, U, O. 28 consonants is known as Mbochiume, Iri na Asato. 9 diagraphs, which are part of the consonants. Udampe Itoolu, which are as shown on the screen. And 2 pseudo-vowels, which are also part of the consonants. Pseudo-vowels in Igbo, it is called Nyiri Udume, like Udume's look alike, vowels look alike. Yeah? Me and Ne are the pseudo vowels. This me and Ne, I'm going to make a separate video about it later on. However, the Udampe, they are 9. As we delve into the video, we'll see how we use this Igbo alphabet. Now we're going to be using the alphabet to make words that have sounds in them and similar English word that has similar Igbo sounds for better understanding. The first one on the list is A. Anya, that is eyes, and a similar English word is ass. A. B. Busu, that is cat, and a similar English word is ball. Chere, that means wait, and an English word that has the same sound is champion. Da, that is fall. An English word that has similar is dress. Echi, that means tomorrow. On the other hand, it is 8. Echi, tomorrow. Echi. And the other one is 8. See, it has similar sounds. Then the next letter is F. Fi in Igbo. And what we have here is Fe. I know it looks like fee as a payment, but it is Fe in Igbo, which means fly. Then in English, we also have the word fly, which has the Fi letter, Fi sound in it. The next letter on our list is G. Ga. The word is Ga. Ga means go, and the English word is go because it has the same G sound. Let's move on to the next one. Bwe. Banye is the word, which means pour. In English, I didn't find a word with the bwe sound. However, Igbo is used interchangeably in English and Igbo. So we use the word Igbo. The next one is re, or to pluck. it means to pluck. You know, when you're plucking apple, plucking a fruit, or ta oroma, that means pluck orange. Yeah. And the English word there is ye. You know, the ye we used to make food and all that. The next one is gwe. Guam is the word. Guam means tell me. Guam. You can say again, what is it? Guam, tell me. And the English word is penguin. He has this gwe sound there. Yeah. Though we have to listen very well. Then the next word is he. Hapo is the word. It means leave. Hapuya means leave it. Ya is eat. Then the English word that has the he sound is happy. The next alphabet is E. Ec. That means head. Then the English word with the E sound is easy. E, E. You see there how we do it? In Igbo, we have the E as A and the I as E. So E, Inu, to drink. Innocent is the English word there. G, jaw, it means to ask. The J word for English is jog. Ki, K, to share. The K word there is keep. Later is P. We have Pakmandu. It means star. Well, I didn't get an English word to narrow it down that has the A sound. So we'll move on to the next one. Kwe, Quere. It means agree. Quere, agree. Then the English word with the que sound is query. Question. Yeah, they all have the que sound. Queen. Yeah. Then Li Lolo means chief wife, chief's wife. And the Li sound for English is love. The similar sound there is love. Then we have Mi Manu, oil. It means oil. It can be cooking oil, just you have to differentiate it when you're using it. Then the me word from English is man. The me sound, yeah. Ni, nu, nu. So we have salt. It means salt. And the ni sound for English is no. Then we have the next one, ni, ngo. It also means drink. Ngo, that means drink water. Yeah. Then the ni sound there, ni sound there is in ding, ding. When you pronounce it, it has this striking ne sound in it. Yeah. Mwe is the next word. Mwere. It means to have. And the English word is when. It has this mwe sound, when. Yeah. Then we have nye, nyem. It means give me, nyem. Nyem mmiri, nyem nnu. It means give me salt. The ni sound is new for English. The next one, we have the o, oroma. Oroma, it has the o sound in it. And the oroma means orange. And the orange has the o sound in it as well for the English one. Then o, also means run. Also, run. And we have the on in English that has the o sound in it. Then we have pi, pia, pia means to press, press. Then the English word also has the p sound, which also has the p sound, sorry, press. Then re go, climb. Go nelu, that means climb up. Yeah. And the re sound in a similar word in English is run. Se, that is kneel, kneel. And the word in English with the C sound is sort. She, ashe, ashe, that is, it means lie. And The word in English with the she sound is ash. Ash. T, tovaria, it means turn. Turn. And the English word with the T sound is turn as well. It has the T sound there. U, udo, it means peace. Peace. And the English word with the U sound is ooze. Ooze. Please like, share, and comment for more contents. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as we continue. Please kindly like, share, and comment. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Now let's move on over to the next one. Olo. It has O sound in it, and Olo means house. And if you're listening very well when I'm pronouncing the house, or when you are pronouncing the house, you will notice that it has an O sound in it as well. That's why the similar sound for English is house. Vum. It means for something to quickly pass or to quickly move. Yeah. Then the word with the V sound there is verse. That is, we use the word weary. It means take. Take, weary. And the English word there is well. Then ye is the word we use is yabasi, which means onion in English. And the English word with the ye sound is use. Use. Then Z is the last letter of the Igbo alphabet. We have Zo. Zo, it means to step. And the English word there is zoo. It has the Z sound there. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Then finally, if you look at the Zo and Zoo, you will notice that they have the same spelling but different. The one has the O for Igbo, which made it Zo, Z-O-O, but it's O-O-Z-O-O, while this one is Z-O-O. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. See you on my next video. Thank you.